Alright, so I got this. This is my mower lift here. I just got this um, this weekend for free off of a guy I know, and he's got a bigger pneumatic one, so he didn't need this. Um, so yeah, I got a little lawnmower on it right now. This one's mine. This is a really light mower. This thing could probably lift 100, 150 pounds with what is set up on it right now. I think what I'm going to do is change the pulley ratio so I have more torque, put a new motor on it, and a new belt. Definitely needs a new belt. I got vice grips on this switch right here because the little knob is broken off. I think I'm just going to weld something on there. So, but for now, vice grips work good. I don't use these little vice grips ever, so stuck them on there. This one isn't air, this one's power. There's your motor back there. So yeah, show you. It's got straps on here. You know, they're on your wheel or whatever. So I'm gonna repaint it, you know, for now, and then eventually I'll, you know, put all the fancy stuff on here. I'm gonna put magnet trays on it. I'm gonna put, you know, a new motor and everything in it, new wires. Alright, let's watch this thing go down. There we go. Motor off. Or whatever else is up there. It does have a little bit of a slant, which I'm not too happy about. But this thing hasn't rolled off. Can't beat free. A lot easier than, you know, on your hands and knees. Everything's right here. I'm a little taller than most, so let's just say it's right here is where my hand would be. So that's everything.